Welcome with this unboxing video. Let's go straight into it, shall we? Funny, I've been anxiously awaiting this one. I'm doing this trainer course where we have to teach people in something, a topic of our own choosing, which is outside of what we normally do. I never talk publicly about keyboards. I guess this is the first time. So I thought I'd talk about all my keyboards that I have here, which are a collection of through the years and evolution of the keyboards. But that presentation would not work without flagship. A 2023 released keyboard. I think it was in August, by this keyboard maker that's known for its customizable keyboards, but also for the people that like the idea but don't really want to customize much. Ta-da! A sleek, compact, customizable mechanical keyboard is what the cover says. We'll see about that. But it's a heavy package. According to the description, it was 2.4 kilos in the post. As you can see, I did not order a regular keyboard because, I couldn't really justify a keyboard. But now it was like, yes, health reasons. I'm kidding, not really health, but you spend a lot of time working, especially if you work in an office and you are a lawyer, whatever kind of clerical profession, and you have to type a lot of emails and documents and stuff. I thought, why not get one that is ergonomically, allegedly ergonomically better. So I ordered from their website directly from Keychron, Germany. Came to Estonia in about a week, but I noticed that it came directly from China, so I was afraid it would hang around at customs, but that was not the case. According to the mail, it got shipped to Holland, cleared customs there in about less than a day, I think, even. Okay, you went to help. Jean-Luc. Thank you. It's my assistant in camouflage. So, I opened the box. We saw a quick start guide and some piece of foam that does not belong to the keyboard, but is for its protection, I guess. Make sure the pins are in straight. Well, I guess we don't have that problem because I did not order the basic board without all the keycaps and without all the switches. I just got the whole thing. Wow, this is heavy. Heavy. It's not what I expect from a keyboard. Okay, the last one I spent the most money on was in 2015. A Logitech K95 Pro, the big one with the macro buttons, but that I never used. So I thought, now let's go smaller. This is a 65% keyboard, which means as much as arrow keys, yes, but no F keys, and no, in this case, no numlock, and I only have a delete and a home key, but in return I do have this knob, which has a kind of a clicky, you feel every little millimeter that you move. So let's keep this on hold for a second. Then USB-C cable, not the fancy ones you see online, the coiled ones, you have to order that yourself, but you do get a USB-A dongle. So it's USB-C to USB-C with a dongle for USB-A. I mean, USB-C is nice in the new standard, but it doesn't necessarily need as much data as your other things. So you'd be fine with taking the A port and saving your C port for something else. Yeah, these are tools. I think I forgot the name of that mod because this is my first keyboard as such. Well, not, but I think you can use these tools to make it basically sound better. It has some, the feet that it doesn't move, the little circular things. I think you can put it underneath. Oh, they're spare, so if this one loses, you can look into your box and find a new one. There's some keycaps. Let me do this straight away because this is, for me, is important. Don't have an iMac, Apple book, whatever. No, I'm kidding. I had a MacBook Pro once and it was great, and then I went back to Windows and I never really looked back. But let's not get into that. This apparently, I think, this is probably the switch puller. The switch means the one that's under the keycap. If that is the switch puller, then what do I make of this? Let's get this control key out. Oh wow, it's really working. And then it didn't. I think I'm doing it from the wrong angle. So, yes, help me please. Help me. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't need this Mac thing. There is an insert key here, which would be cool if I used that, but I don't. I'm gonna keep the Mac keys for my fiance, who I ordered a Rainy 75 for, but that has Windows keys, so it's probably not gonna be the best match, but in terms of color, but it works. So I assume this is Alt. Maybe assumption is the mother of all. Yeah, that doesn't say. Control, I guess, is Control. Where do I put an Alt? So I have a standard keyboard here. It's just in Nordic, so that doesn't really help me. But that's not the point. So Alt, Windows, Control. Control, Windows, Alt. So I just push it on here and hope that it works. Oh, I guess you can see it also. In the terms of the size. So I just got this button off, and I should have remembered how it was installed, but I guess that's this way. So for the switches, I think I took something yellow, the banana ones. Because I have brown switches above on both of my Macs and I just wanted to try something different. I can feel already that it doesn't really seem clicky. Option becomes Windows. Yes. Then I guess this is also an Alt button. Okay, this thing looks a bit weird, but it's definitely working. I like how it looks. There were 3 colors available: the silver one, like yellow and gray buttons, the white one with white and some red buttons. But I like it when it looks blue, I guess. So this is black, but close has some blue buttons, and I like the gray bluish things, main buttons. So I've been waiting anxiously for the box to arrive. Okay, so let's go to the main part. Oh yeah, so about the board, it has RGB buttons. Not RGB buttons, but RGB. So underneath you can see a lot of colors. Maybe I can put it back there. I'm not sure if this works, but maybe it's a bad idea, but I think for the lights it should work. Maybe it's, yeah, okay, we go. Wow, it looks different. As you can see, the keycaps don't let the light pass through, but apparently it's so underneath is a south-facing LED light. That means that it's towards the user. Yes, so that means that if you sit on it in the front, you can see it more clearly, even if it doesn't shine through. But to be honest, it's a good look. That's great. So there is can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices. I guess with a combination of function and Bluetooth. What I am looking for is to change the colors, but I guess that's not the in the stars. Multimedia function, adjust the backlight. Function 1 and X. Function 1 and A. Right. I mean, I'll always be a kid, you know, this really excites me. So I feel that changes the effect. And you can also change the brightness to increase. Obviously, I only care about increasing. Just kidding. I should press Windows. And then Bluetooth or cable. And right now it's on cable, as you can see. So again, function 1 and A to change the effects. It feels really good, by the way. It's metal and heavy. I'm very excited. I'm actually gonna use it at work. Ooh. So I hope nobody steals it. If it gets lost somehow. Okay, this is amazing. I never had an Alice keyboard. This is called an Alice type keyboard. It's as I said, ergonomic. Not fully ergonomic because apparently then it needs to be cut in half and you can sit more like this. But where normally you have your hands straight, now it's more natural in a curve with your arms that are facing towards the middle. So let me just do the sound test and then I can see if I can type on it in my head as well. But, here we go again and again. Okay, well that kind of works. I guess I can use this quickly. But the sound. Out of the box. Love it. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave it at here. And thanks.